Mastering vocabulary for GRE's sentence equivalence. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vocabulary, specifically focusing on enhancing your word bank for the GRE's sentence equivalence section. Mastering vocabulary isn't just about memorizing words. It's about understanding their nuances and applications. Let's get started. Vocabulary is the core foundation of the sentence equivalence section. The test often includes words that have multiple meanings or are used in a nuanced way. By expanding your vocabulary, you'll better understand the context of sentences. You'll be able to identify synonyms more efficiently. Confidence in your answers will soar, knowing you're making informed decisions. 1. Flashcards. Old school, but effective. Write the word on one side and its definition, a sample sentence, and synonyms on the other. Regularly review and shuffle them to keep your memory sharp. 2. Word a day. Start your day with a new word. Use it in sentences throughout the day to reinforce its meaning. 3. Read widely. Diverse reading material like newspapers, journals, novels, and even poetry can introduce you to a wide range of vocabulary. Make note of unfamiliar words and look them up. 4. Word maps. Create a visual representation of a word. Branch out with its synonyms, antonyms, and usage in different contexts. 5. Engage in discussions. Use new vocabulary in conversations or debates. This not only reinforces the word's meaning but also its practical application. Avoid rote memorization. The GRE isn't testing your ability to memorize definitions. Instead, it gauges your understanding of how words fit into different contexts. Always associate words with sentences. Synonyms aren't always interchangeable. Just because two words are synonyms doesn't mean they can replace each other in every context. Understand the nuances. Practice with sample questions. Familiarize yourself with GRE-type questions. This helps in understanding the type of vocabulary the test focuses on and how it's presented. Like any skill, building vocabulary is a marathon, not a sprint. Here's how you can maintain consistency. Dedicate a specific time daily for vocabulary exercises. Revisit and revise old words regularly. Challenge yourself with new words and advanced reading materials. Track your progress. Celebrate small victories. Remember, the journey to mastering vocabulary for the GRE's sentence equivalence section is gradual. With consistent effort, the right strategies, and a passion for words, success is just around the corner. We hope this video helps you on your path to acing the GRE. Happy learning!